The following cardio exercise focuses mainly on your heart, and that's your cardiovascular system. You're going to begin running on the spot in an upright position, swinging your arms by your sides. Then squat down, placing your hands on the floor, and jump your feet back. Land into the bottom of a push-up with your chest nearly touching the floor and your elbows bent. Then push up and jump your feet back in towards your hands. Jump back upright and continue running on the spot. To modify, you can jump down into a kneeling push-up, jump back up and continue running. Or to modify even further, you can walk instead of running in place and step down into your kneeling push-up. Then step back up and continue walking as quickly as you can. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exercises.